Hey there, it's Odette Peak at odettepeak.com. I want to share with you the 3 easy ways that you can make money speaking. Number 1 is being paid to speak. Number 2, it's making an offer from the front of the room. So for like an online program or something that you've got for sale. And number 3, it's making a free gift offer. So I want to talk a little bit about making the free gift offer. So speaking at the best of times for most people is awkward. And making an offer from the front of the room, whether it's free or paid, is super awkward. So that's where a lot of people mess it up and it blows up in their face. So I want to just kind of walk you through what the different types of gift offers are and the importance of and what a gift offer does for you. So you need to have structure in your talk, whether it's a 30-second talk or an hour-long keynote or a 3-day event. There has to be structure in your talk. And the different types of offers that you make are really dependent on what it is that you're selling. So for instance, I've got downloadable templates that give you the step-by-step process of how to do something. There's free training videos, there's strategy sessions, discovery sessions, coaching sessions, anything that essentially gets your audience to know, like, and trust you. It gives them a little bit more information about who you are, what you do, what your gifts and your talents are, and it's super simple. So it's about making it almost like a no-brainer that your audience, when they get the free gift, that they're going to be a little bit more educated, a little bit farther along in their business or in their life, whatever it is that you're selling. So if you haven't got a free offer, you just want to take a look at what are the things that you could give away for free of information that people will go, wow, I really got to know, I'll just use my own name, got to know Odette a little bit more. I got to know her, I got to like her, and I've gotten to trust her. Now in the sales process, doesn't matter if you're speaking from the front of the room or in a online selling and marketing and all that kind of stuff. It's all about different touch points. You need to have multiple touch points for your audience to get to know, like, and trust you, and for them to feel comfortable with what you have to offer, that you are the expert in your industry and that they're going to want to buy from you eventually. So the gift offer when you're speaking, whether it's 30 seconds or an hour-long talk, needs to be so compelling and so exciting that someone says, I really have to have that. So here's what I want you to do. I have a download called the Talk Template. It gives you the step-by-step formula on how to structure your talk, whether it's a 30-second talk or an hour-long keynote, that helps you structure your talk so that you tell people who you are and what you do by way of story, which is the super important way. And I'm going to talk about this in another video about how to use story as a way to make your paid offer or make a free offer. And how to position your content and your offer so that at the end of your talk, people don't go, wow, she really sold to me. Even if it was a freebie, they want to be able to feel like they've been engaged with you, that they have an emotional connection with you, and that natural next step is to say yes to your free offer. Now, a free offer can be way more lucrative than being paid to speak, which I get is really sexy. People go, I want to get paid to speak, or making a paid offer. And I've struggled with a couple of clients on this. They go, I want to make a paid offer. And I'm like, okay, so if you've got a room full of, let's say, 50 people, and you make a paid offer of, let's say, $500, let's say you get 10 people saying yes to you. Well, that's great, but what happens to the other, the other 40 people? Well, you want to be able to give away something for free so that there's that natural next step with you. And having an extra 40 people on your list is way more lucrative than just having 10 sales. And I get that in the short term, it's like, yeah, I get that money, and that's all great and fine and dandy. But having people on your list creates fans, creates followers, creates people who are watching you and wanting to learn more from you. So the different types of gift offers are, like I said, templates, strategy sessions, discovery sessions, or maybe you have an event that you've got going on. It's really important that you make sure that what you're talking about ties into the free gift. So you don't want to be talking about, whales and unicorns and then go sell somebody on a bottle of wine. That doesn't work. It needs to match. Your conversation needs to have a natural flow into your offer. So my offer to you for free is to download my talk template, which helps you structure your talk from beginning to end. And it's a 10 very simple and easy step-by-step process on how to incorporate your story, how to incorporate your content or the educational pieces, and how to incorporate an offer, whether it's a gift offer or a paid offer. And it's a natural, smooth progression throughout your entire talk that people don't feel like they're quote unquote sold to. Because let's face it, in today's world, we're like, it's a taboo to sell. And it's a big taboo to sell from the front of the room. But in my talk template, I want to show you how easy it is that you and your audience don't feel like you've just made a massive pitch to them. You don't feel salesy and you don't feel schwarmy and all that yucky feeling. And your audience doesn't even know that you've made an offer to them. And it's not a way of manipulation. It's just a way of making everybody in the room, yourself and your audience, feel really super comfortable. So download my talk template at odettepeak.com/talk template. And let's show you how to structure your talk, whether it's a 30-second elevator pitch or an hour-long keynote. I'll see you on the other side of that template. Ciao.